Amicus Curiae means friend of the court and is a document submitted to the court by a person or group that is not a party in the actual court case but has an interest in the outcome and effects of the decision. An amicus curiae brief is the legal opinion testimony or learned treatise. It is a way to introduce to the court concerns about the court case and the outcome of the case.
Red party sues blue party in the Court of Appeals after the evidence is presented to the court from both sides. An amicus curiae brief may be submitted. Who can file an amicus curiae brief? Any non-party to the court case can file an amicus curiae brief. This can include non-profit organizations such as trade associations, public interest groups, as well as corporations, government, or parties in another case with similar issues. Anyone who has a vested interest in the outcome of the court case may submit an amicus curiae brief, as it may affect the regulations and procedures of their industry. Company Alpha wants a particular outcome in the case of Red versus Blue, so they decide they want to submit an amicus curiae brief.
Company Alpha probably has a team of attorneys that put together the documents they want to submit in an amicus curiae brief. What goes into the amicus curiae brief? Discussions of cases in foreign jurisdictions, previous rulings, or scholarly articles that may persuade the judge, any factual information that wasn't presented by either party at the trial, broad statements of policy implications stating the effects on professionals or the impact on an industry practice that a particular decision could have. Basically, more information making a sound case for or against a certain ruling.
A petition must be filed with the court to submit an amicus curiae brief.
At the specified deadline, the non-party must submit an amicus curiae brief to the court. In addition to this, there must be at least 40 copies of the amicus curiae brief submitted to the court. This can only be submitted to the court once.
What is the purpose of the amicus curiae brief? The amicus curiae brief can represent any number of concerns relevant to the court case, including the effects of the decision that the court might make. It can also help convince the court to grant a petition to appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. When information comes from professional societies or trade organizations, it can be viewed with more accuracy.